Hi students, welcome to puzzle number 50. So in this puzzle we are going to solve the this series. This is the question they have given. Find the next number. The series is 3, 6, 11, 18, 27, 38, and there is a question mark. So we need to find the what is the number which is going to come in this place of question mark. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that you will get the daily mathematical puzzles from our channel. And pause this video and try the solution with yourself, and if you get the answer, comment the answer in the comment section. So let us see the solution for this. If you observe this series, let us do with the simple logic, that is, let us take the difference between first two numbers, that is 6 and 3. So the difference is 3. And let us do the same for next numbers, that is 6 and 11. The difference is 5. If I do the difference between 11 and 18, it is 7. So if it is clearly indicates 3, the next is 5, next is 7. That is, these numbers are odd numbers. Let us take the difference between 18 and 27, which is again 9, right? So that is the odd number there, keep on adding to get the next number. That means 3 plus 3, they are getting 6. Similarly 6 plus 5, they are getting 11. Similarly 11 plus 7, they are getting 18. Similarly, let us take the difference between 27 and 38, it will be 11. So to find the next number, it will be 13 we need to add to this 38. So let us do that. 38 and 13. If I add these, right, so the answer is 8 plus 3 is 11, 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So therefore the answer for this question mark is 51. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. And there is a new feature from the YouTube, that is hype this video so that it will reach more people. And if you have any mathematical puzzle, comment in the comment section. I'll solve that in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.